Said you want the pickle? What? You eating McDonald's? Mm-hmm. You eating your fries over there and your nuggies? What, you need more pickle? Yeah. You're weird. Why you like the pickle? You need more? Yeah, okay, I get you more. If you eat it, I'll feed it. If you eat it, I'll feed it. No? She got pickle in her mouth, so she can't talk. Bah. Did you just throw that, girl? You a lazy butt today, girl. You just want to be in bed since you got home, girl. Can you burp?
Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Your turn. You do it. You can't do it? No, still can't do it.
A mess.
A mess? You need your dress off? We'll take your dress off. Hold on. This little girl just figured out that this bed moves. And look at her over here. Keeps pushing the dang bed. This is your world. We just live in it, girl. I'ma get you, girl. I'ma get you. 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 Wait, you hide behind. Where'd Ampy go? Oh, there she is. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Just got back from work a little bit ago. It's Thursday, but it's my Friday. And we got her at the end. It's my Friday because I get to take her to the doctor tomorrow. Huh, babe. And her mom says she's coming, but we'll see if she actually does. You didn't finish your cheeses. Look, you still got cheese in there. Yeah, how you just gonna waste the cheese, girl? You can't have no popsicle. You gotta finish your cheese. You already had 2 snacks. You can wait a little bit. Yum, 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 yum. You gotta go pee-pee? Let's go. Hurry, let's go. You said you gotta go pee-pee. Let's go. What, is the light flashing? He didn't see you, Ampy. She didn't see you, girl. She's over there watching Bluey on her little phone. And I'm just over here watching some YouTube videos while I'm editing a video. Might be all we do tonight, or she might get another energy burst and be up all crazy. So we'll see. Who knows at this point? It's like 9:30, so she could go to sleep. She could be a maniac some more. When we're both here, laying here watching Bluey now. This is one of my favorite episodes.